Today we are going to learn some basic netball terms in te reo Māori. Netball is known as poi tarawhiti. The first term is poro or ball. Whiu means throw. This is when you throw the poro or ball. This is one of the first things you learn in poi tarawhiti or netball. The next term is maka, which means pass. This is when you pass the ball to another player. The hoop is known as a uhanga, where you can score or whai piro. Piro is the term for point. The next term is hopu, which means catch. I'm still learning to get good at that one. I whakataka the poro a lot. I drop the ball a lot. The next term is kuru, which means shoot. I'm not a kai kuru or shooter, but I'm a kai ārai kuru or defender. The next term is whakarongo, which means listen, which I need to be better at, especially to the kai wawao or umpire. The final term is aki, which means encourage. This is when you encourage your teammates, and I aki you next time you go to the courts to give the terms for poi tarawhiti, netball, a go.